Pivot tables allow you to interactively analyze your data along 2 or more dimensions. Let's take a look at our profit margin by product. Click once on the Products table, then go up to the Create tab, and then click on the More Forms button. Drop it down and choose Pivot Table at the bottom. In the Show Hide group on the left-hand side, click on Field List until you get a Pivot Table field list on the right. You have a screen with several zones for you to drag your fields. Click on Product and drag it to the left-hand zone where it says Drop Row Fields here. This will group all of our olive oils by olive type. Pick up Size and drag it where it says Drop Column Fields here. This will now show you all the different sizes of each bottle. And drag Profit into the center area. You can now see the profit margin for each bottle size in the grid. Also drag profit over to this grand total. And we can see our total profit. Now when I do that, it does open up a subtotal and a grand total, which we don't need. So come up here to the Hide Details button, and that part closes. Now, not only is this easier to compare than in the product list, but you can also see which size is profitable, the 128 ounce bottle, but you can also see which oil itself, the picoline and the piquois. If you want to hide different rows or columns, drop down the header and turn on and off the check marks that you want to see, and click OK. This arrow here will turn blue to show you that you have a filter applied. Click on the blue arrow again, click on All, and they'll all come back again. Now pivot tables are interactive. You can pick fields up and drag them around to different places. We're going to show you how we came to the sum of the profit. Click on Price and pick it up and drag it next to Sum of Profit, and it will now add Sum of Price under each size. Do the same thing with Cost. Drag it up and put it between Price and Profit. And now I can see for each of my olive oils how much we charge altogether, how much they cost altogether, and their profit margin. If you want to make a pivot table that's sourced by information from several different tables, first make a query pulling those particular fields into one place. Then use that query as the source of the pivot table. As you can see, pivot tables group your data into a grid, allowing you to analyze your information along 2 or more dimensions.